After this, we're going to have a service, and also we have a guest speaker from Davao, the pastors from Davao. Ayun po, kumakain po sila. We have a guest speaker from Davao po. Ayan po. Yan. Sila po yung mamaya speech. So, we were going to have some Christmas song, Christmas game, and Christmas fellowship. And everything is Christmas, Pastor. Pati plato, Christmas. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng plato, Christmas talaga. Opo. Kaya nga eh. Gutom lang yan. Oh, you're going to, you eat the, dessert, that one is nice.
Okay.
Diet one.
Okay.
So, okay. Now, we're going to eat now. Kain muna kami. Grapes muna on diet. So, continuous na to eh. Asan na ba yung aking Oh, so nakita niya naman, oh. So, Paskong-Pasko po talaga, oh. Ayan, nakita niya, oh. Wow! FMFI, Christmas Celebration. Ayan. Paskong Pinoy sa FMFI, International Christian Assembly, here in Queen Center, Queens Road, Wan Chai, Hong Kong. FMFI is Filipino Ministerial Fellowship International, mga different Filipino pastors in Hong Kong po iyan. Mamaya makikita nyo lahat sila, yung iba kasi wala pa dito. Ayan, kain muna tayo.
Southern Baptist, Bible Baptist.
Southern. Ito po si Pastora Irene. Yan, siya yung pastora dito. So, ayan po sila. So, we're going to eat first. Eating time first. Ayan, Pastora, mga lady pastor. We have lady pastors here. Yes. Kasi po, mga OFW natin, karamihan babae. Kaya we have lady pastors also. Hello, sister. Asa si Pastor? Where's Pastor? Ay, nasa Pilipinas. Oh, ikaw yung susunod din?
Oo, siyempre.
Siyempre naman. Ando kayo magpapasko. Okay. Yeah, this is my friend. Si Serena, my friend. She have agency. Also, yeah. Ayan, mga friendship natin. O sige, magkuha na kayo ng food. At ako naman ay kukuha ng Ay, kunin ko to, sister, ha? Para pang pictorial ko. So, ayan, lunch. Kain muna kami. Mamaya ulit kasi hindi pa nagsisimula ang service. So, eat first. La Pastora. Ngaya-ngaya. Lagay ko nga dito para maka-stand siya. Wow, this is egg tart. Ito, this is a Filipino dessert.
Microphone?
Yeah. It's a taro. Try dito. It's okay. So, ayan po sila. Okay. Oh, ayan na. Ayan na lang. Merry Christmas. Eating time. Ako ay ilalim para mga food. Hello. Malayo. Ayusin natin. Laging nalalaglag. Mamaya din mag-service kami dyan. Okay? So as of now, we are going to eat first.
Hello, Martin.
Food.
Ito lang po isa, wala mahina.
This is one of our famous desserts, but this is taro. Sometimes we have coconut, young coconut. Ay, Pastora, she's also my friend, Lady Pastor. Yeah, Lady Pastor. Sometimes I'm attending her Bible study. Oh, next time I will invite her. Oh, sister, invite ko siya minsan kasi lagi ko siya ini-invite. She's my Chinese friend, Serena. This one is our Pastora Maida. Yeah, sometimes with important.
Oh?
Yeah. Ayan. Kasi typo siya. Yeah, because, di ba Friday, some domestic helper day. Sa amin, sa church namin. Yeah.
Sunday.
Yeah. So, may mga Christian, ini-invite ko rin siya. Okay. Very good, but a bit spicy, yeah.
Like the Christmas tree, Jesus is the King.
For you.